Hello friends, welcome back to EMRS Nasik. This is our second lecture on the chapter matrices. In this lecture we are going to see equality of matrices, addition or difference of two matrices, multiplication of a matrix by a scalar, and negative of a matrix. Suppose we are given two matrices and these two matrices will be equal if both have the same order, means they are of same order. And second condition is that the corresponding elements are equal, means in both matrices if the corresponding elements are equal, then we will say that the given two matrices are equal. Now consider this example. In matrix A is 2 by 2 matrix, matrix B is also a 2 by 2 matrix, means order is same, and the corresponding elements are also equal, means A11 is equal to B11, A12 is equal to B12, A21 is equal to B21, A22 is equal to B22. Then we will say that matrix A and matrix B are equal, and we will write this as matrix A is equal to matrix B. Now consider the second example. Suppose you are given two matrices of 2 by 2 order, and in these two matrices, if these two matrices are equal, and you are supposed to find the values of variable x, y and z. Since these two matrices are equal, then the corresponding elements are equal. That means this x plus y is equal to 6, this 2 is equal to 2, 5 plus z is equal to 5, and x, y is equal to 8. So the corresponding elements are equal because these two matrices are equal. So I have written x plus y is equal to 6, 5 plus z is equal to 5, x, y is equal to 8. After solving this, you can get easily the values of x and y. Okay, now addition and difference of matrices. The addition or the sum of two matrices is possible only if, again, the two matrices must be of the same order, and if they are of same order, then addition or difference of corresponding elements took place. Means if you have to add the two matrices, then add corresponding elements. If you have to take difference, then take the difference of corresponding elements. So first requirement is that they are of same order. So in general, suppose I am having a matrix A of order m by n, matrix B of order again m by n, that means both are having same order. Then the addition or subtraction is taken by corresponding elements, by adding corresponding elements or by taking difference of corresponding elements. A simple illustration is like this. Suppose a matrix A is given 2 by 3 order, matrix B is also of 2 by 3 order. Then we can easily add the corresponding elements, and we can take difference of the corresponding elements, and the respective matrices are given below. Now multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. Suppose we are given a matrix of order m by n and k is any scalar. Then the Ka is a matrix obtained by multiplying the scalar k to each element of the matrix. Means if you are given a matrix A and you are having any scalar k, then Ka, that is multiplication of a matrix A by the scalar k, is again one matrix. After multiplying this scalar to A, you will get again a matrix, but that matrix has the same order as of A. That means the matrix Ka and the matrix A has same order. How this Ka matrix is obtained? This matrix Ka is obtained by simply multiplying the scalar A to each element of the matrix. Suppose I am having a 3 by 3 matrix and I want to find 2A, means I want to multiply the scalar 2 to the matrix A. So this 2A matrix is obtained by multiplying the scalar 2 to each element of the matrix. So if I multiply 2 to 1, I will get 2. If I multiply 2 to 0, I will get 0. If I multiply 2 to minus 2, then minus 4, and so on. So the 2A matrix is obtained by multiplying the scalar 2 to each element of the matrix A. Now, negative of a matrix. Suppose you are given a matrix A, and what is the negative of that matrix A? Negative of your matrix A is simply minus A. So simply take minus of each element of the matrix, or we can say that the negative of matrix A is minus A, and which is obtained by multiplying minus one scalar to the given matrix A. Means suppose you are given a matrix A and the negative of your matrix A is obtained by multiplying a minus one scalar to each element of your matrix A. Okay, so I can say that negative of a matrix is the scalar multiplication of a matrix. Yes, that scalar is minus 1. Now consider the example. Suppose A is 2 by 2 matrix, then minus A is obtained by simply multiplying minus 1 to each element of the matrix. So I will get minus A is equal to multiply minus to each element, I will get this matrix.